Alrighty. Let's start this video because we have a very interesting question and I'm gonna give you a very interesting answer. How effective are Facebook ads in generating actual sales? We don't want any type of sales, we want actual sales. And I'm gonna answer this question in a very simple way. We're on Quora. I don't understand Quora. Let's do some fireworks and let's get started. So if you wanna advertise your business, if you wanna promote your business, let's say you have a product, let's say you have a website, let's say whatever you have a channel on YouTube and you wanna promote it through Facebook ads, and you wanna get actual sales at the very end, right? So your end goal, let's say, would be to get actual sales, and I'm gonna share with you what will happen if you do this 30 years ago. So if you wanted to get seen on the media to promote your business, you had three options. I think you could do maybe four. You could go TV, which stands for television. You could go to the TV station in your town and you could ask, hey, I have a bakery, I want to get actual sales, how much it will cost to get an ad on the local TV. And this will be not very cheap, right? Another option you had would be to do the radio. Radio could be cheaper than the television, but still very expensive. Another option you could do to promote your bakery, let's say you have a bakery, you do croissants. You could do newspaper, like the news, right? Maybe the news would be the cheaper, but you won't be able to just like do, I want to advertise for like $6. This won't happen. This requires serious money. Another option you could do would be to give away flyers, like people at the mall give away flyers. Let's say your bakery is situated at the mall, right? And you hire a person to give away flyers. Let's say those are like the fundamentals, the most basic ones. They're expensive, first of all, because you need to hire a person and pay hourly to give away flyers. If you pay him, let's say, $20 per hour, I'm not sure if it's a lot, and if you give away like flyers for like 5 hours, you're looking to spend $100 per day on giving away flyers. And how many flyers will he give away to people who are actually interested? Maybe the guy will be lazy. He's just gonna like slack off, So maybe not very effective. And one of the things that these marketing channels have, they're very hard to measure. Are people coming to your store because they saw the flyer or just because they saw the sign while they were walking by? Can you really measure it? And the answer is not really, right? But now it's 2024 already. We're in 2024 and we have Facebook ads, right? What's the lowest budget you could do on Facebook ads? The lowest budget you could do on Facebook ads is $1 per day, right? So if you have $30, you could run ads for your business and those ads could be seen by a lot of people. So you need very little budget. Are you gonna become rich advertising for $1? No, you won't get rich advertising for $1. However, it's gonna give you a start. For $1, let's say you can reach 10 people. So you reach 10 people per day. For the whole month, you're gonna reach 300 people, which is a lot of people for just $30. Remember the cheapest marketing tactic we have? The guy who was giving away flyers? You just pay him $100 per day just for them to give away flyers, right? So Facebook ads, much cheaper. Right now, let's talk about this part of the question, which is actual sales. We're not talking about any like normal sales. We don't talk about like regular sales. We want actual sales. And this means money in the bank. What's the advantage that Facebook has compared to traditional advertising media? They have something called the Facebook Pixel, right? And based on the Facebook Pixel, you can track how many people are purchasing your stuff, once they see your ad. So extremely important. Here you have much greater transparency. You know people, you know how people are clicking on your ads, right? This is supposed to be a click, and you know which ad converts, and you know how much money you're spending, and you know how much money you're making. So how effective are Facebook ads in generating actual sales? I would say Facebook ads is one of the most effective advertising platforms ever created. Of course, the platform has its ups and downs. Of course, you need to be a good marketer and like a decent business person to make Facebook ads work for a business. But if you have very little budget, even like if you have no matter what type of budget you have, I believe you should start with Facebook ads. So in my personal experience, if you have a decent business, like if you're not selling some crazy illegal stuff like grenades or whatever, the first place you should start advertising, no matter what product you have, would be Facebook ads. The second, once you master Facebook ads, once you grow your business to, let's say, 6 figures per month, right? This stands for 6 figures per month. I'm using just the pen to like draw your attention. I'm not drawing anything significant. You see that? Anyway, Facebook ads. I believe if you're a serious business owner, I believe whatever you do right now, like freelancing, like business stuff, like consulting, coaching, agency, you should learn how to do Facebook ads, right? You should do it. You should be on Facebook ads. You should be running Facebook ads because Facebook ads are cheap right now, but they tend to become more and more expensive by the year. So come to Facebook ads right now, learn how to run Facebook ads, subscribe to my channel. If you want me to personally help you with Facebook ads, check the links in the description below. This was the video for today. My name is Niko. In this channel, I talk to real people. I answer real questions and I give you my honest opinion. If you go to other business gurus, they'll be like, oh, we're the greatest. We make money all the time. We make millions. I'm just a guy in Bulgaria running ads, and this is how I pay my bills. I pay my bills because I run ads for clients, and this is my only resource of income right now, right? So when it comes to running ads, I know what I'm doing. I'm honest. I don't care if you like buy some of my stuff, if you do like the consultation or whatever. So yeah, make sure you watch some of my videos, comment below, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Let's do the fireworks. Yeah, man, extremely good video editing.